Ate, look.
Ano? Oh.
Look, I couldn't sing for.
Baka tumama sa
Balangas people of the Philippines.
Huwag kasi pataas. Kasi pataas. Tingnan mo 7-Eleven.
Traffic advisory ongoing installation.
Tingnan mo itong motor. Overtake pa ang motor.
Know you're alone. I know you're. I know.
Yan farm, dating pond yan. Infested by... Saan na kayo tulad yan? Yung tubong nakantahan natin before.
Pwede.
Is that the one where you filled your marriage?
Ano doon sa kubo sa gitna na to?
I think this is made out of a Washington fishing net. Fish? Are we going to fish in the hot?
Sana itakda, ano? The...
Hi. Now let's
Sa kapasitan.
Bakit may hole dyan? Is that the... No way!
Nasaan yung biscuit? Ito, pwede.
Videohan mo. 2 years old, baka biglang mag-swimming dyan.
Sakay ka lang.
Oh.
Dito ka sa upuan. Dito ka lang, upo ka dito. Yan. Not this one. Only this finger. Again. Again, one more. Okay. One finger. Dito na lang. Sige. Yung other finger na this. Yeah. Again.
Wait, I actually said it stuck.
Hold the line, ha? Hold the line. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Release. Wow. Nice try.
Not far enough, I guess.
Ay, okay lang yan. Okay. Okay.
I think somebody dropped their stuff because. Can you do this?
Okay. The other hand. Okay. Hold the line. Open the bill. Okay. Throw. Alright. Close the bill. Okay. Retrieve a little bit. Again. Retrieve. Fast cut. Dapat nakagano lang lagi. Kapag nag-fix ka dito.
I'm on bail now.
Okay.
Oh, correctly.
Not not too much like this, ate. Ganyan lang. Not like that. Ganyan lang. Ganyan, ganito lang, oh. Ganyan lang.
position. And yeah.
Pwede na. Not bad. Look. Hindi nakababang ganyan. Ganyan lang. See? Off my hand. See the difference?
Yeah, I see the difference. Ay, kaganting walang hook. One and yes! Did you see it?
Yun?
Yun, oh. This over. Hello.
Nice.
Next time I want to go right over there. Is that right? Three. Nanay, tignan mo ako. I think I want to do this really big. Where'd it go? Yeah, I think I see it.
Dali, sud ka. Ano na yan?
Because I don't want worms. No.
Ano na yung video mo rin to?
No. Using worms.
This is the tail.
Okay.
Okay? Dito ka sa harap. Para makita mo, dito ka. Muna, this is the tail.
So you're gonna poke those two together so
Yeah.
that they stay?
You start from the head. Going there, pull. More.
Then put the tail on too. So
Okay.
that it's just a solid shrimp thing.
Okay. You got it?
Yep.
Okay, now this time, you hold this for a while for me.
No.
Here's the latte. You see it?
Yes.
It's alive.
Yeah.
Okay, this is how you do it.
Get that away from me.
Oh, see? Get the head. Here's the head. Here's the tail. You look. Dito ka para makita mo. Bitawan mo na yung line. Okay. Get the head. The hook. Put it here. Like this. That. And that's it.
So
Now it's your turn.
No.
Okay. Touch it.
Get it out.
Halika dito.
Get it out.
Finger.
It's tickling.
Hindi ka kakagatin yan.
I know.
Hold the head.
What should I hold?
Ganito. Hold the head. O, yan. Tapos, hold. Tapos, kukuha ko ng rad, ng ano, ng... Hindi pwede. Si ate ka. Ayan.
Why? I
Oh,
don't
get
want to
the
kill
worm.
a worm.
Get the worm. Wag mo ipupuna sa damit mo.
Where?
Here's the head. Dito sa end. Sa end mo hawakan.
What end?
Dito.
Where end?
O,
It's
dali.
squishy.
O, dali. O, lagay mo na.
What? No.
Sige. Dito. Like this. O, go.
I don't want to.
Kaya mo yan.
No, I don't want to touch a worm.
Hindi.
na, attach
You're
mo na
holding
nga
na nga eh. O, dali. Lagay mo na.
I don't want to kill a worm.
Hindi. Okay lang yan. It's part of life. Dali.
I don't want to.
You have to. Kasama yun sa fishing. Si nanay ang next.
Okay, if she gets to do it, I do it.
Dali. Ikaw muna. Ikaw yung unang marunong mag-cast. Dali. Do it. Do it. Go.
I'm giving it to you.
You cannot kill a worm.
No.
Why?
No.
But you eat chicken.
Oo nga. You kill
You
chicken.
love chicken nga eh.
Oh, kuha ng wipes.
Show them the worms. Show them worms. Say hi, worms. I'm gonna do some real not just catch and throw. Look at this is my favorite rod right here. It's small, it's light. Look. Look right here. It's small. It's small, it's light.
Ask mo yung name, ate.
6 units.
Ay, ano po?
7 years old. That's the space tower at the door.
Show me, ate.
It's red.
Ano yan?
It's orange.
Anong klase yan?
Hindi goldfish yan.
Ano mamamayang gabi yan?
Far out.
Slowly lang. Baba mo konti. Yan, go. Go.
It's a fish! It's a fish!
Dandahan.
Bakit pa na ganyan? It's another fish! Orange! I want to show.
Show it.
If a fish eats it, they're gonna go.
Look at it. Boom! It's a bomb. Did you see it? Andun na. Ano yung salasalok? Sumabit.
Bangus.
Slope. Sumabit. Bebe.
I'm baking.
Baking ka dyan. Go.
Go.
Oh, it's biting really hard.
Ate, wait. Huwag mong hilahin pataas. Mapabali yung rod ko. Sumabit. Ate, release the bell.
Huh?
Release the bell.
Ito?
Release the bell. Yung...
I thought he was already released.
Ito.
Stay still. Oh my. Just get in.
Say hi, ate.
Hi. We got another one.
Ate, dito. Dali, picture tayo.
No.
Hold on. Hindi yan.
Dali.
Hold the rod. Dali.
Are
Hold
you?
the rod. I will not kiss you. Dali. Dito ka sa kabilang side.
I have trust issue.
Hold the rod. Slow.
Don't leave me.
Go. Go. Small one.
No, it's pretty.
Go.
It's hard. It's actually harder than the
Up,
bangus.
up, ate. Wait, up.
Cutie.
Cutesy.
Anong cutesy?
Small. Release the bell, ate. Okay. Oo, ano na? Close the bell. Okay. You hold this one.
What do I do? Another one. We got another one.
Hold this one. Hold. Tapos, show it to nanay. Dito mo i-hold sa end.
Oh, we got another one. Look, we got another one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Release the curtain. We can have a bit of water now. We can go out now. Have a free life. Have a free and good life.
Okay, bye-bye.
Have prosperity.
Alis ka rin natin.
Oh, there's a big one. I think it's small. I think it went out. I think it went out.
Wala na?
Wala na daw. Wala.
Kawala?
Meron.
Ay, meron.
It's another ornamental fish. Another ornamental fish. Another ornamental fish.
Tama na. Naka... Oh, layo mo. Nakapego na na yun. Nanay. Nakapego.
Yeah, I want to go to the trees. Yeah, pwede daw nanay. I want to go to the trees. There. There pa. Sabi ko nga, dito na video again.
Run. I want to show.
Looks like somebody made a bonfire. Look. They made the same thing to do a bonfire. Can I pull the weed? Not really. I might have to take one home. Put it in my mirror or something. Yeah. Oh, that's too hard.
Mamaya inihian pa yan eh.
Huh?
Somebody peed on that.
Eh.
You just...
Oh. Look at this tree. There's many trees growing out of it.
Yeah. So much bigger and peaceful. More peaceful.
More peaceful than over there. Over there. Now this is the kind of stuff that's how they try.
Hmm?
Proud or feeling scared? Oh. Punta ka dito.
Mm.
This lemon. This tree is coming out.
Mhm.
Ooh.
Watch out.
Nana, this tree looks like the ones that you could see in the movies. You can hear the bird sounds, right? It's a bad situation talaga. It's a bad situation talaga right here.
Oh, careful.
We're gonna go on the ladder again after this.
Yeah.
You don't like the ladder, do you?
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah, it's that easy. Why didn't you join?
Yung? Yung? Kakalunin ko yung anak ko, baka lang ma-out balance eh. Oh. Wait lang, baka tamaan ako. Dito ate, wag sa people. Oh, go. Doon sa other side. Oh, go.
Wait, I have
Dito ka. Bad. Last tayo.
I literally can't see the splash because it's so far. I wish I can.
Gusto mo na ulit?
Ah,
Did you enjoy it?
but it's a bit boring.
Why boring?
The waiting stuff.
That's life. You should learn how to wait. Learn how to have patience. And sometimes, no matter how hard you try, nothing is happening. But when it's time to come out, the fish just gonna start eating, and you'll start harvesting them.
May ano lang sila, window hour, no?
Oo. You should be quick.
Oo, di ba kanina,
Oo,
sunod-sunod?
sunod-sunod.
Ikaw first. Comment. Ami also catch.
Tapos, lagay mo dun sa gilid. No, here, look at it. Look at this.